This is a quick evidentiary video of the damage done to one of my propane tanks. And this is obviously deliberate, just as this was deliberate last year or the year before. This is all deliberate. This was not here yesterday. And actually, it wasn't here this morning. You know when it probably was done? It was probably done when I was up at the hill raking wood and leaves that were cut yesterday with the weed whacker. But this was done today. Compliments of the criminals, and you can see here, that's their little symbol there, right there. And this is what they did. Evidence, rural Kentucky, Jackson County. Well, we'll give a shout out to the local sheriff who's been real stellar on catching these criminals. So once again, this is Lorraine Alternative Homesteading, reporting an evidentiary video of vandalism while my house is listed for sale. And as I mentioned in other videos, if my house doesn't sell within a certain time frame or the property value is reduced because of all this vandalism, I will take my house off the market and sue the county and everybody that's been involved in harassing me. And that's quite a list. It's quite a list of people. Do I want to waste my time doing that? No. But I do believe in justice, and I do believe in reporting the truth and everything that's happening here in remote rural Kentucky. And I have no problem, because then what happens is when you file a lawsuit, it becomes public record. And then everybody can see what's going on here in Jackson County, Kentucky.